I'm Jordan, co-founder of Code Chemistry. In today's Under the Microscope, I'm going to be discussing all things click counters. So a click counter is exactly what the name suggests. It's the number of clicks on a piece of content in your email. By adding that click count over a piece of content, it significantly enhances its impact. So not only does it make it visually stand out, you can see how many people are clicking on it, it also introduces the power of social proofing into your email, and it's really quick and achievable. We're all quite accustomed to seeing social proof over products on a website, so things like 23 sold in the last 24 hours, but it's still quite a rarity to see that in the inbox, despite it being very easy to set up. So click counters are a definite quick win, and they will increase the number of click-throughs on your email. Why do they work so well? Well, overlaying the number of clicks on key content signals to people opening your email that the content is popular, that it's trusted, and that others are enjoying it. The click count adds that element of transparency, credibility, and it makes the content appear to be more reliable and worth the recipient's attention. And therefore, they're likely to go and click on it themselves. So on top of that, they also create this sense of urgency and curiosity. So they want to join the people clicking on it, their peers, and explore the content for themselves. So by highlighting the near real-time interactions, you can foster a community-like atmosphere, encouraging that active participation and boosting your overall email performance. So a couple of popular use cases for click counters. I personally love to see click counters added to simple postcard type emails, where you've got that big hero image, perhaps promoting a sale coming up or a specific offer. You can add a nice bar to the bottom of that showcasing the number of people shopping that sale or shopping that offer. So something like 2,327 people are shopping this offer. It's super engaging, and it just elevates that postcard type content significantly. If you're wanting to drive more traffic to a certain area of your site, you can introduce click counts over that content. So if you're wanting to drive more traffic to, say, your blog, you can add the number of people reading articles into the design. So think of some blog tiles in your email and then overlay 289 people reading this right now. That's a really nice touch, and it just piques people's interest. You can also take click counters to a next level, so slightly more advanced use case by combining data-driven visibility rules. So you could show, say, a fire icon when a product or article has had over 250 clicks, or you can choose to hide the click count completely if a product or article has had under 50 clicks. So there's a lot of ways that you can take the click counters and also enhance them and make the content more interactive as well, specifically the click counter. Another advanced strategy is to combine click counts in the hero piece of content and the secondary piece of content. So you can show the total number of clicks across all of the click counter options on the hero image. And then you can show the individual click counts on the secondary content. So that just adds a bigger number into that hero piece of content, and then the supporting content underneath. As I mentioned, it's really simple and straightforward to get started. All you need are the images for the content that you want to display, any icons that you want to show, and any links that you want each image to click through to. And that's it. You go into our system, click create, follow the steps, design how you want it to look, and then you generate your element HTML and copy and paste that into your email. And you can expect to see increased engagement as people are naturally inclined to follow the crowd. So if you want to try this for yourself, you can sign up for a 7-day or 1,000 image, no obligation free trial. The link's below. Thank you.